Cryptocurrency trading can be both exhilarating and daunting, especially for newcomers. The allure of high profits can often lead to hasty decisions. One of the most common mistakes new crypto traders make is failing to conduct adequate research before investing. Without a solid understanding of the coins they are trading or the market dynamics, traders might fall into traps set by misleading information or hype. Another prevalent mistake is the impulse to chase losses. Many novice traders, after making an unprofitable trade, are tempted to quickly reinvest in low-performing tokens, hoping for a bounce back. This knee-jerk reaction often results in further losses, creating a vicious cycle of bad decisions driven by fear and desperation. Staying calm and assessing critically is crucial to avoid this pitfall. The third mistake is neglecting risk management strategies. New traders might dive into the crypto market with enthusiasm, disregarding the importance of setting stop-loss orders or determining their risk tolerance. By failing to establish a plan, they expose themselves to significant financial losses. Implementing disciplined risk management techniques can shield traders from devastating market fluctuations and preserve their capital. In addition to these common mistakes, it's essential to identify the psychology behind trading. Emotional decision-making often clouds judgment, leading traders to buy when prices spike and sell when they plummet. Cultivating a more analytical mindset can help new traders navigate market volatility without being swayed by emotions. Furthermore, understanding the importance of time in trading can significantly benefit beginners. Expecting instant gains may lead traders to overlook the potential for long-term investments. Cryptocurrency is an evolving landscape. Strategic patience can yield more substantial results than impulsive trading based on short-term trends. Ultimately, learning from these missteps is part of becoming a successful crypto trader. Engaging with educational resources, following experienced traders, and joining crypto communities can provide valuable insights. Constructing a personalized trading strategy and continually improving one's knowledge of the market landscape can pave the way for successful trading adventures. Being equipped with the right tools and mindset can turn an initial misstep into stepping stones toward proficiency in crypto trading.